Hari Om, Namaste to all of you. Jalaneti is a very important practice in this COVID context. In just about 5 minutes time, you can completely prevent the increase in the viral load that happens in the back of the nostrils and the back of the throat. Jalaneti is a practice from the Hatha Yoga traditions. You are going to see how to do this practice. You need half liter of warm salt water. Take clean water, heat it up to body temperature, and for half liter of water you add just a flat teaspoon. You know, the tablespoon is with which you eat. Teaspoon is one with which you mix sugar in tea. That small teaspoon. Flat spoon, not a heap spoon. Flat spoon of free flowing salt. So you add that and mix it up with this warm water. After mixing it up, use a clean white kerchief or cloth and filter the water into the lota. Now we will see how to do the actual practice. So the first step is identify the side where your breath is flowing. Second step, you insert the nozzle into that nostril. Third step, you open your mouth, breathe through the mouth. This is very important. Fourth step, you tilt your head a little bit to the side. And you just wait. Within few seconds, you will find that water just flows out. But if you keep the mouth closed, this wouldn't happen. The water will start flowing into your throat, may go into the stomach or the lung. So you need to breathe with the mouth and tilt the head a little bit. Because of gravity, water will just flow out. There is no magic in this. It's a very simple practice. Half liter of water, 1 flat teaspoon of free flowing salt. Once you mix it, the water is ready. Just warm it to body temperature. Pour it into the lota by filtering it with the white cloth. Then insert the nozzle into that side of your nostril where the breath is flowing freely. Step number 1. Step number 2, open your mouth, breathe through the mouth. Step number 3, tilt your head, continue to breathe through the mouth. Within few seconds, water will start flowing through the other nostril. Finish half lota on one side and finish half lota on the other side. Now we will show you what you need to do after you finish cleansing the nostrils. After completing practice of cleansing both the nostrils with the saline salt water, the next thing you need to do is to dry the nostrils. You leave the nostrils with the water. It is not correct. In order to dry the nostrils, you need to just bend forward. You need to keep your hands interlocked and raise the hands behind the body, bend forward. So you stand straight, interlock the hands behind the body, stretch your hands so that your shoulders are pulled back, then you bend forward a little bit and stay there for a few seconds. And you will find that as you stay there, droplets of water start flowing out of the nostrils, and then you raise up. Once you raise up, you have to blow your nostrils very gently. Lean forward a little bit. It's very mild. You don't blow like you're blowing a building out of its ground. So you blow through the left nostril, you blow through the right nostril, then you blow through both the nostrils. Like this you repeat 3 times. At the end of 3 times, Just check whether you have any moisture. Blow firmly and check whether you have any moisture in your hand. If there is no moisture, then you are good to go. That is the practice. And finally, the last drying up of nostrils practice that you're going to do is called a Shashankasana. For this, you need to sit in Vajrasana. Just raise your hands up and then bend forward a little bit like this. And bring your forehead towards the floor. When you remain in this posture, still for a short while, whatever water is still in the sinus pockets in the face, all of them just flow out. And at the end of it, when you place your hand in front of the nostrils and blow it, you will find that the nostrils are totally dry. You just need to ensure that your nostrils have been dried before you go ahead with your day's activities.